Good day, sir. My name is Jeffrey Nanayao AC, and today I will be presenting on packages in Java. In today's presentation, I will be speaking on the introduction, where I would be stating what packages are and the steps in creating a package. I'll be talking about the types of package where we have the system packages or the Java API, or what we also call the built-in package. I'll be speaking on user-defined packages and also giving some advantages of packages. In Java, a package is a collection of related classes, interfaces, and other types that can be used to organize and structure large programs. Usually, these packages helps to avoid naming conflicts, promote code reusability, and makes it easier to locate related classes. Now, with the steps in creating a package, I would like to go to the IDE, Intel IJ, to show how to create the package. So first of all, I must right click on the SRC directory, go to new, and then create a new package. Now I can decide to name the new package com.example.my package. Then I click enter. So the package cannot function without a class. So I need to go on to create a class in the package. So I will create a Java class and name the Java class my package. My package. So the package has been created, my package. So in this package, you can create a string function, a math function, whatever function that you want to code or you want to work with. It can be created and then organized in the package and organized in the class. So I would go on with the presentation since we have now looked at how to create the package. I would go on to speak about the types of packages. So we have the built-in packages and the user-defined packages. So we will go on to first look at the built-in packages. So the built-in packages are packages provided by Java, and these packages are already built into the Java program. So all you need to do is to call the package, and from there it can be used. So with this particular built-in packages, Java provides inbuilt packages which contain lots of classes and interfaces. So there are classes and interfaces that are available in the package. And that is one advantage of Java. There are built-in packages in the libraries. So these classes inside the package are already defined, and we can use them just by importing the relevant packages in our program. There are various types of Java inbuilt packages, and I'm going to be making mention of some with their classes. We have a diagram over here displaying the Java basic built-in packages. Java basic built-in packages. This diagram is displaying it. So we have java.lang, or that's java.language. We have java.util. We have java.io, which is input output that support input output support classes. We have java.awt with this set of classes for implementing graphical user interface. We have java.net classes for networking. We have java.applet, which are classes for creating and implementing applets. So I'm going to be giving an example of how to use the java.lang, which is the language support classes, which are language support classes. So there are classes that Java compiler itself uses, and therefore they are automatically imported. They include classes for primitive types, strings, math functions, threads, and exceptions. So I'm going to open the IDE and I'm going to close this. I'm going to now import java.lang. So import java.language java.language dot string java.language dot string. Then you terminate. Okay. So I can go on to create my public class, my program, then all right. Public static void main string args. Then I can, okay. All right. So string, maybe let's use greeting equal to hello world. Then I terminate. Then you can print system dot out dot print line the greeting TING. Then you terminate. Okay, so let me clear this and then this. All right, so this is an example of a Java dot language. So we can also give an example for importing the java.util, but because of time, we'll have to move on. So we also have user-defined packages. Now, with the user-defined packages, they are packages that can be created. They can be created and they can be assigned to classes. So with the user-defined packages, it involves creating a package with a new directory and declaring the package in the Java class. So the user-defined packages can be used to organize related classes and interfaces. So for example, you take, for instance, the SRC directory, then you create a package. Then when you create that package, you create another directory in the package you create, then create another directory. So that is how the user-defined packages are created. That's how the user-defined packages are created. So we look at the syntax. So package, you create a package name, the public name, class name, then you put it in a body of class name, and then you are good to go. So some advantages of packages. So there are several advantages of packages, and some of them are as follows. We have packages. Packages are useful to arrange related classes and interface into a group. This makes all the classes and interface performing the same task and to put together in the same package. Packages hide the class. Number two, packages hide the classes and interface in a separate subdirectory so that accidental deletion of classes and interface will not take place, just as we saw with the user defined packages. Number three, the classes and interface of the packages are isolated from the classes and interfaces of another package. This means that we can use the same names for classes of two different classes. Number four, a group of packages is called a library. The classes and interface of the package are like books in a library and can be reused several times. The reusability nature of the package makes the program easy. Thank you very much. Thank you.